Let me show you something here. I just want to show you something here. I hit a goal and I want to share with the world. I want to share with you. Let me show you something here. So remember on ClickBank here, which is a internet marketing platform, we get paid I get paid every week actually. And I'm going to show you a paycheck here. And I only want to show you that just to inspire you. Okay. You see that? So tomorrow, okay, which is, you see that right here? That's $98,000. Okay. $98,000 and $33.79 will be paid 10/16. Okay, that's tomorrow. Now I'm showing you that because this, what you're looking at right here, was a goal that was written down in a journal, okay, a couple of years ago. And check this out. I want to be very honest. Listen to me here. I didn't know how I was going to do this. Like, how does a man go from $3,000 to $98,000? Look, $3,000, $10,000, then a big bump here. How does that happen? See, a lot of you right now, I know what you're thinking. How, Wesley? How? And quite frankly, this is the wrong question. And this is what I keep sharing with you over and over again, people. You're asking the wrong questions. You know, I know everybody that's listening to me right now, I know you want your life to be better, whether financially, your health, your relationships, or whatever, but you're asking the wrong questions. Every time you see something like this, you know, I bought a brand new Rolls Royce, $400,000. The first thing that people are asking me, how did you do that, Wesley? It's the wrong question. Listen, it's not how I did it. It's why. But more importantly here, and I'm gonna let you guys go, is everything in life counts. Like right now, you're watching this video, right? Okay, you may be in your bed, maybe you're behind your TV, and I just jumped on. You got an alert and say, "Oh, I'm watching you." Maybe you're on Facebook right now. Okay, you're on Facebook, and boom, I popped up. Maybe on YouTube right now. You're watching a replay. Everything in life, listen, everything in life happens for a reason. Everything. Based off your intention. And everything counts. So, like tonight, some of you are going to go to bed early. Okay? Right? Because you worked all day. If you worked all day, hit the like and share button for me. If you worked all day, if you went to school all day, hit the like and share button. Do you know like 90% of people right now are going to go to bed at a decent time to make sure they get enough sleep to go to work in the morning? And that's most people. Listen to me. If that's you, you'll never succeed like this. I'm just be honest with you. You just won't. If you do, prove it to me. I'm not sure. I know a lot of people that's rich and wealthy, and I don't know one person that sleeps or that hurries to bed when they have a dream or a goal that's burning inside of them. I say that to say this. Everything counts. Even what you're thinking right now. Some of you right now are inspired by this. Some of you are bitter. Some of you are upset at me. You're jealous. You think I'm bragging. Like right now, it's a group of people right now that are pissed off because I'm bringing in $98,000 per day. Somebody right now is jealous because I'm bringing in $98,000 per day. Some of you right now are inspired and say, wow, it's a black young man from Houston, Texas that came out of the ghetto. Now he's earning $98,000 a day. Some of you are listening to me and you're getting busy. This is validating that you can duplicate these type of results. The question is, which one are you?